Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Friday. Just a quickie on this lathe that I purchased. The first thing to talk about is this chuck. Now, I don't believe this is the official factory type chuck. It's got a drill key like that. And the ones I've seen are about that thick. I'm not 100% certain that's a proper legitimate chuck. I can't see any manufacturer stuff on it, so I don't really know what it is. My question is, if I was to take this chuck off, can I fit this chuck to here and then buy a better chuck for this end? So that's the question I have. Do you think this chuck, is there an adapter you can get to fit it on here, onto the tailstock? Let me just turn it on. The second thing to notice is that this doesn't work. It's supposed to disable the lathe when it's down, but it doesn't work, so I've got it switched on. That seems to work no problem. I did notice this, which I presume means don't mess with that while it's on. The other thing I noticed is that the machine will actually run with the side open. And this is obviously the gear that runs the lead screw. Sorry. This is obviously the gear that runs the lead screw, because you can see how slow it goes, even at full speed. Yeah, I'm not sure that's supposed to run with the side off. With regards to the lead screw, it does appear to work, but sometimes it feels like it wants to stick. Sometimes this seems to get stuck in that particular position. The other thing I noticed is that here, it's very sticky here. You can actually see, I'm not sure that's supposed to be there. What I'm going to do is I've ordered some blanks and I'm going to practice making my own tools. With regards to this wire here, I don't know if I'll ever get round. I don't know anything about CNCs or connecting that, or if it's worth doing that. It works fine by hand. No problem there. Same with this one. That when I disconnect the lead, that works by hand, and when it's connected it doesn't. So I'm not sure if that's right or not, but I've ordered some blanks to make the bits, and I have to get used to all the terminology. But if anyone knows if this can be fitted onto the tailstock, then what I'll do is I'll buy a new chuck for this end and I'll use this on the tailstock. Thank you very much. Just also wanted to mention that I do have the replacement gears. I'm not exactly if these are to repair broken ones that are in there, or if they're to use when you're doing different size threads, etc. So as of this moment in time, I know nothing about the gears and I don't want to interfere with them until I have to. I just want to get used to making the tools and cutting some stuff on it and see how we get on. Cheers.